Hi guys, Car Spark 2.0 here. Welcome back to another unboxing video. And just like you know, this is my only unboxing video for this morning. Today we're gonna be unboxing a very special car, and I just got from a friend of mine, and Patrick Hennis. That's this one. You guys have seen the casting before, but the color is very special. This is one. The 2015 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat is at in the Hot Wheels 55th Anniversary Edition. So yeah, this is a special edition. A Hot Wheels car. There's a total of 6 cars in the set, and this is just one out of 6. I'll try my best to find the other 5. If I can though. Well, in the meantime, we're going to get a closer look at this car and see what this Challenger is all about. Here we go. Here we go. It's out. My God, look at the paint job on this one. Very nice. You know, there's no details in the front or rear of the car, but it's the side that really interests me the most. The anniversary logo on the front fenders. The Hot Wheels logo. And yeah, there's Dodge on it. Like, we know what of a company the Challenger was built in. Yellow in there too, but well, it's all black. Not the wheel on this one. Look at how gold the wheels. And on the inside, red. And interior. Oh, and look and below it, shiny too. I really like this Challenger, and I cannot wait to try it on my track. Anyway, that's it for this one. Hope you all enjoyed this one, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.